Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about how can you access GPT-4 for free. If you do not want to pay for ChatGPT Plus, well, there's some option, limited and some unlimited option. I'll show you all in this video. Before we jump into it, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, number one, you're going to go to this website called po.com. This is a chatbot from Quora. And if you notice right here, there are multiple chatbots. You can use ChatGPT, also Claude Plus, and then GPT-4. The con of this is you only get one query per day, so it's a limited message. So look at this. So I've used one for today, and it's saying now I have 0 free messages left. So it's very limited, but still you can get a taste of GPT-4 on po.com. That's number one. Number two, also very quickly, if you sign up for this site, aura.sh, so aura.sh, it's a tool, it's a website you can use to build your own chatbots. And then go to this link, aura.sh, OpenAI GPT-4, and guess what? You do have access to GPT-4 model here, so you can use it. Again, it's very limited, but still you have access. Now, the best way to access is for free is you're gonna go to bing.com from any browser. So this is Chrome I'm using right now, and then you might have to get on the waiting list. Actually, the waiting list is probably done now. And then you are gonna bing.com. Let me go back here, and then if you click on chat, it's basically gonna ask you for the conversational search, you need to download Microsoft Edge. And that's how you can get access to GPT-4 for free and unlimited. So I'm using Microsoft Edge now. This is my Microsoft Edge browser. And then I go to bing.com and then chat. And then here I can basically perform, are you using GPT-4? And then let's actually go inside the chat feature. And I'm gonna ask, are you using GPT? Oh, it's already thinking and doing the search. But it is, yes, GPT-4 was released, OpenAI multi-model, it's been publicly available, blah, blah, blah. And it also has access to the web and it can give you citations. For example, I'm gonna ask, who won the Super Bowl in 2023? So it's the current year. We all know GPT, the normal GPT-3 can only access data up until to 2021. But GPT-4 does have, oh, look at this. So Kansas City Chiefs, yes, that's correct. Patrick Mahomes was the MVP, that's also correct. And also you have these resources or these sources that you can click and go there. So this is by using the Microsoft Bing's chat and downloading the Microsoft Edge, you can access GPT-4 for free and unlimited tries. There's no limits. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. And now I'll see you in the next video.